How to use Corel Painter Essentials 8, Beginner Digital Painting Software, Drawing and Photo Art, PC/Mac Keycard. Paint or sketch with over 170 brushes including realistic pencils, acrylic, watercolors and unique digital brushes like particles and patterns. Rapidly turn photos into stunning art using powerful AI presets, auto-painting, tracking, and creative effects. Easily create in an uncomplicated interface with document control, unlimited layers, adjustment and symmetry tools, built-in layouts, help tutorials, and workflow tips. Conveniently select colors with the color wheel, sets, and harmonies or blend your own with the mixer palette. Experience incredible speed and performance, tablet compatibility with stylus pressure control, and Apple Sidecar and M1 support. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on productivity, earning money online, and tech reviews. Turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest uploads.